Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the more common tasks for system administrators is to install and configure web servers on Linux systems. In this video we're going to take a look at the details of how to set up Nginx as a web server on Linux. Let's go ahead and get started. Nginx is a high-performance web server known for its speed and efficiency. This guide covers setting up Nginx on a Linux system, including installation and serving your first website. To set up a Linux server, you need a server running Ubuntu, CentOS, and basic Linux command knowledge, root or sudo privileges, and an active internet connection. To ensure Nginx is allowed through your firewall, follow these steps. On Ubuntu, Debian with UFW, on CentOS, RHEL with Firewall D. Specific configurations are required. To set up Nginx, first note that it serves files from the /var/www/html directory by default. Next, create an HTML file with the specified content to serve. Put your first page into index.html. To host multiple websites with Nginx, create a new configuration file in the set Nginx sites available. Define the server block, create the document root directory, and link the configuration file to the site's enabled directory. Here are the prerequisites you will need for your installation. To set up Nginx, first ensure your package lists and software are updated. Start the Nginx service and enable it to start on boot. Nginx is a high-performance web server ideal for various applications. This guide covers installation to serving your first website. Ensure your server and Nginx are regularly updated to patch vulnerabilities. Limit access to sensitive files with proper permissions. Monitor server performance using tools like htop or Nginx logs. Setting up a web server with Nginx on Linux is efficient and scalable. It's preferred choice for developers and system administrator. This guide helps you build a robust and secure web server. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a good overview of how you can install and configure Nginx on your Linux server. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.